Well, good morning, fellers. And Philette. And you too, Tammy. This particular cab has a tank behind the seat. And this particular year, and they kept swapping and making changes over the years, because this truck body style went this way from 1947 to 1955. I ran the fuel line out the floorboard, and I hooked it right up to, you can see it, I hooked it up to my fuel pump. I'm sitting in my truck, which is something I haven't done in a very long time. Okay, what are we watching now? Rick the transmission guy? No. Let's see if we can get this. Yep. And there it is.